You know, all good things come to an end, even your air conditioner. But how do you know when it's really over? In Florida, we have hot, humid, corrosive weather. That means your air conditioner only lasts roughly 10 to 15 years. If one or more of these symptoms is happening to your air conditioner, it may be time to replace. Have you ever had your air conditioning maintained? Is it out of warranty? Manufacturer won't cover anything anymore. Is your air conditioner leaking Freon? Are those energy bills getting higher and higher? If you're experiencing one or more of these symptoms, it may be time to put that old air conditioner out to pasture. So give us a call today. Have one of our professional representatives come out. We'll let you know whether there's still a little life left in your coolest friend or whether it's time to replace.